Multiple choice. 1. What is the most striking feature of the Strait of Gibraltar? A. Its strategic location. B. Its diverse marine life. C. The meeting of two seas without mixing. D. Its rich history. 2. Which two bodies of water meet in the Strait of Gibraltar? A. The Pacific and Indian Oceans. B. The Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. C. The Arctic and Antarctic Oceans. D. The Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. 3. What is the main reason for the high biodiversity in the Strait of Gibraltar? A. The constant movement of water. B. The deepness of the strait. C. The contrast between the Atlantic and Mediterranean waters. D. The presence of many islands. 4. Which of the following is not a threat to the marine ecosystem of the Strait of Gibraltar? A. Overfishing. B. Pollution. C. Tourism. D. Climate change. 5. What are the most valuable marine resources found in the Strait of Gibraltar? A. Oil and gas. B. Pearls and coral reefs. C. Gold and silver. D. Fish and seaweed. 6. What is the intertidal zone? A. The deepest part of the ocean. B. The area between the high and low tide marks. C. The middle of the ocean. D. The surface of the ocean. 7. Why are coral reefs important? A. They provide shelter and food for marine life. B. They are a source of valuable minerals. C. They protect coastal areas from erosion. D. All of the above. 8. What is the meaning of mollusk? A. A type of fish. B. A type of plant. C. A soft-bodied invertebrate. D. A type of bird. 9. What does conservation mean in the context of the passage? A. Destruction. B. Preservation. C. Pollution. D. Exploitation. 10. Why is it important to conserve the marine life of the Strait of Gibraltar? A. For economic reasons. B. For scientific research. C. For environmental sustainability. D. All of the above.